What is up, guys? Check it out. We're still out here at Tractor Supply in Napanee. Man, you hear that thing behind me? That thing is sick. That's Eric. He's got the red Tahoe that is super loud. That is crazy. But he's also got, that's right, check this thing out. He's got this thing out here. There's a notification that Trap My Ride is live. Guys, I'm going to flip this camera around. We're going to go around this thing. This thing is awesome. Oh, it's the first time he's had it out. He hasn't had it out. So the first time he brings it out is out to join us. So guys, let's give him a huge round of applause. Let's give him some major dap and a big thank you, major thumbs up for bringing this out. Very first time, guys. I don't even know if you can hear me. We're going to get this flipped around and check this out. Listen to this, man. Nasty sound of SS taillights. Man, look at it. Monster tires, man. Listen to this thing. Nasty sounding. He got the fuel cell. He put this in for the cold air. See the love blueberry. We got the sunroof, everything, man. Look at the side here. This truck is nasty and clean, man. Nice, nice truck. What is up, everybody who's watching, man? I can't make it all out. I see Andrew. I think they arrange them alphabetically. That's why I always see him. Man, he's got the screen in the dash. Let's look up. Oh, he shut the hood. He shut the hood. Check this out, man. Look at this. Big, big drinks, man. This paint is serious, man. Look at this. Just hitting. Beautiful, beautiful truck, man. First time he brings it out, man. He brings it out here to see us. That is awesome. Look at this hood. Look at this hood. You see that? Damn. Hella nice, man. Look, he got the SS bumper. Got the SS bumper, everything, man. Truck is set up. You hear it, man. This thing is breathing, man. Breathing, breathing. Man. Truck is sick, guys. Got the sunroof, roll down back window. Man, I'm telling you, look at this paint. This blue. You can see the Stang Banger's car over there. Look at that. Awesome, man. Blue is just killing it. And he's on a set of piece, man. Look at this thing. Damn. The blueberry. You want to show it? Hey, can we look under the hood again?
Yeah, I want that out, right?
Alright, brother. Have a good night, man. Be safe going home. It's good seeing you, Braxton. Right there. Braxton Burkholder, 574 Truck Meets. Yeah. Thanks for coming out, man. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Man. Supercharged. Man. Nasty, nasty. Woo. You see it right here? There goes Braxton. Rolling coal. Man. This truck is sick, guys. Nasty, nasty. Woo-hoo. Damn. Nice, nice. Yes, it is. Rob is with us, man. What is up, Rob? Good to see you out here, brother. Man, LSA. Yes, sir. That's right. Check this out. This guy right here, he brought his static mini truck. It's a 95, guys, and this thing is stupid clean. I was checking his truck out, and look, this is what I was saying, man. He got these old school wheels from back in the day. Look how clean and good shape those are. The Boyd wheels, man. They used to put these on the Boyd's 32 Deuce Coupes and these mini trucks all the time, man. And that was the style. This truck's good, good. True to the era, man. Very much so. And this is a very beautiful representation, guys. All the striping and everything on this truck is nice, man. Look at this. Back here. Super, super nice. Clean. He's got the black house. I don't know if you can see it through here, guys, but look, he got the pass-through all the way through. Oh, he's gonna open it for us. Hell yeah. Check him out, check him out. Look at this. He got the pass-through You already know what he's plotting on. Good luck finding one of these guys trying to keep up. For real, he's gonna be knocking a whole block loose. Man, this truck is gorgeous. He's got the underglow coming. He's got more projects, he was telling me, guys. So as we see him through the summer and he progresses, we're gonna see if we can catch all the updates. But look at this, man. Damn. Nice looking truck, man. Look, got the pinstripe all down the side too. Man, these wheels, these Boyd wheels are killing me, man. I love it, dude. This is probably one of my favorite things. But I don't know, I like to paint this on here too. This whole bow tie. Yeah. Those are nice, man. Look, and he's clean inside too. Look how clean those seats are. Yeah. Nice truck, guys. Nice.
I just wanted to stop by and
Alright.
some love.
Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it, man. He brought it out. Yeah. Eric's killing it out here, man. Thank you. This is gorgeous, brother. I love it, man. Rob says, yeah, we seen the black S10. He said we seen the black S10 last night. Yeah, that's right. It sure was. Yeah, it reminds me of my house. Yeah, for real, high school days, for real. Man, that truck nasty, man. Woo. Damn. But we're still out here hanging out. Stain banger's still sitting right here. I put on these lights so that way we can see the blue in that truck, because these lights were blue. So I'm gonna kill these headlights. But yeah, we got the mini truck out here too, guys. We were sitting on the tailgate a minute ago. Right here, let's kill this. There we go. Ooh, she's in here bumping. Yeah, there they are, guys. Is the camera light? That light's still on. There we go. Oh no, that was the wrong one. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Look at these trucks. These two trucks sitting right here. That's awesome, man. It really is. Tim, you should have brought yours out. Gino, you too, man. We'd have all 5 of them sitting here, man. Maybe that should be a goal before the end of the summer. Get as many trucks out here lined up as we can. We'll get Gino out. We'll get Tim down. We'll just get them all out here, line them up. We'll get some pictures and some videos. Definitely, man. This is clean trucks out here tonight, guys. They all look good. Yeah. Thank you again, man, for bringing this out. I love looking at this truck.
It's even spotless under the hood.
Is it really? Let's check her out.
I clean the hell out of this every week.
I haven't cleaned these two yet under the hood, really. Oh man. Look at this. Damn, yes, a lot cleaner than ours is, that's for sure. Man, I got some cleaning to do to catch up to this. For real, this is damn clean under here. Got the nice Optimum battery too. He's ready to roll, man. Ready to go. Damn. Yeah, he is. Good to go. Man, that is clean too everywhere. This truck's in good shape. For real. Man, I hit the wrong one again.
Spend hours outside cleaning this thing.
Yeah, it takes hours for real to detail and take care of all that little stuff like that. Those hours add up quick. Man, let's get an angle from this way too, guys. These trucks look good as shit sitting here. Hell yeah. Look at that, guys. I love it. That makes my day. It sure does. Man, we're gonna get him lit up too. Look, all the big diesel trucks are still out here. Stang bangers. We had some more stang bangers show up. They was out here. But that's what we're doing tonight, guys. I think we might wrap it up here before too long and maybe head back to the house. But we're still going to be out here for a few minutes, guys. Out here hanging out. Rob, I was busy this afternoon. I didn't really get a chance to do a whole lot of promoting. Some of the guys helped me out in promoting the meet and stuff. Elsewise, I probably would have hit you up and let you know what we were doing down this way. But you're always welcome, man, anytime. But it's always good to see you out. But that's what we're doing tonight, guys. We're out here at the Tractor Supply Ace Hardware parking lot here in Napanee, just behind the McDonald's, man. Hanging out, doing what we do. That's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. We'll see you all in the next clip. Keep on trapping. All right, Rob. We'll see you next time, brother.